Move-in ready? Check. Open concept, split floor plan? Check. Updates and upgrades throughout? Check and check. Pool? Absolutely. Outdoor living space built for entertaining? Check. Welcome to 6580 Samuel Lane, a home that truly checks all of the boxes. Step inside and you'll find a bright, open layout designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. Outside, the real magic begins. Situated on more than 1/3 of an acre, the spacious outdoor living area and private pool create the perfect setting for weekend barbecues, family gatherings, or simply enjoying the Florida sunshine year-round. Built in 2018 and offering over 2,600 square feet of living space, this beautifully maintained residence features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, plus a dedicated den, giving you the flexibility for a home office, media room, or guest space.